Hello Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you haven't already checked out your monthly reading for June, I suggest please go and check it out. It's uploaded on my channel. Click on the video section and you will find your signs reading. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you want to know more about personal readings, rituals, or the counseling sessions or any other services that I have available with me, please stay tuned till the end. I will make sure that I share a lot of information with you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you have got the apprentice and the magician. I do see that as an apprentice, you are working as an apprentice. Apprentice is a trainee who is like a new joinee who gives extra hours, makes extra effort, is not literally getting anything in return or is getting peanuts. You are that person this week. Whether you are at a high position, low position, whether you have your own business or job, it doesn't really matter. You're working very hard. If you're a student, you're working very hard towards your school, your subjects, your college. This is the week where you will be able to manifest your desires because you have got the magician card, which means this week your manifestation powers are really, really high. So if you want to manifest a desire, please make sure that you're always thinking positively, because if you think negatively, there is 100% chance that you can attract the negativity also, the negative outcomes also, right? So please make sure that you're only expecting the best outcomes from your business, the profit, the more customers, the job, the promotion, right? Anything and everything that you're thinking, it has to be positive. It's a very good week for you guys when it comes to your career growth. Let's see what's happening in your personal life. You've got the Eight of Spades and the Hierophant. I hope you can see it. Okay. There is a lot of overthinking involved when it comes to your personal life. Like you're single, you're thinking which guy to choose or which girl to choose, whether to be in a relationship or not, whether to get married or not. Or if you're already planning a marriage, then I don't know how my life is going to be. I don't know if the in-laws will be nice or not. Everything related to your personal life is like a big overthinking for you. Even if you're married, you're still worried about your relationship, you're still worried about whether or not we should take the next step, have a baby or not, buy a new house together, buy a car or not, right? A lot of personal overthinking. But you have got such a good card. The Hierophant means it is going to be all good. I do see you getting engaged or getting married this week, or at least planning some sort of function is happening, some sort of traditional ceremony is happening, you're celebrating something, right? Everything is going to go smoothly. It's just your inner chaotic mind. So silence that, because there's absolutely no need to be negative at all cost, at any cost, because your cards are very, very positive. So please make sure that you're thinking positively throughout, because your personal relationships look good and your professional life also looks good. And even if you're overthinking about your relationship with friends or family, that is also going to go smoothly. If you had troubles in your relationships with your spouse or partner, that is also going to get resolved. If your marriage was getting delayed, or the partner was not agreeing, or the family was not agreeing, they will agree now. You will end up getting married, okay? So any sort of doubt and overthinking will be going away, and this week will only and only give you positive results. So if you want to claim this reading's positive energy, do comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that this positivity reaches you faster. And if you guys resonated with my reading, if you think yes, this is exactly what is happening in my life, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get your reading in advance and you're prepared as to what is to come and how to handle that situation, what to do, what not to do, because I will be giving you guided messages as well. This was a general reading, guys. So if you have any question on your mind which was not covered here, then please feel free to book a personal reading with me. I do personal readings as well. I also do rituals. So if you think you want to manifest any desire, there's a bay leaf ritual which I will be performing on your behalf. Full moon is coming, a perfect time for rituals. I will be performing starting today and until the next 5 days. And if you want to remove the blockages from your life, I suggest you take a blockage removal ritual. Do it. It's a powerful ritual. It will make you feel so positive and it will permanently kill your blockages. Okay, next I have different packages available as well. If you're single, I have different package like multiple questions plus a free remedy to remove why are you single, right? Love situation, why is it still not happening? Again, free remedy, multiple questions will be answered, and people focus on career, why are you not getting the growth? So multiple questions answered plus a free remedy. I have two specific love reading, exclusive love reading. One is very famous that you all take, Oracle Love Reading. That's specially for no contact people to channel your partner's current feelings. And second one is Mystic Red Rose Love Reading, which I've just started. Even if you're in contact or no contact, no matter what your situation is, and you want to know that if they are in love with you or not, or what is the real connection between you two, then you can book this reading. And then I take spiritual counseling sessions as well, which are like one-on-one therapy sessions where you will come to me, you will talk about your problems, you will end up feeling lighter, you will end up sharing so much more than you can imagine, the secrets which you're not able to share with people, and that is why which is eating you alive. You can come and judgment free discuss your things with me. I will be your guide, mentor. I will guide you in the right direction. I will show you a mirror by telling you where exactly you are going wrong. And with the help of your angels, I will be giving you a free remedy here as well so that you can get positivity back in your life and you're back on track, right? You're not in that depressing zone anymore. So audio video call sessions are only available on Instagram, on Zoom and Google Meet. WhatsApp is not available. I do have 45 minutes and 1 hour session or 30-minute session accordingly. And yes, to make any booking, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. It's mentioned in my description box and bio, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all these things on my story on a daily basis, including the prices. I have different range of prices also according to everyone's budget. So it won't be like, oh my god, this is expensive. There's nothing expensive. It starts at 100 to 100 rupees and goes up to thousands. Okay, so choose what suits your budget, choose which reading you want, and every reading also have multiple prices as well. So you can choose any service and choose your price and accordingly book it. Okay. So yes, I hope I'm not missing anything. If I am, please go check out my Instagram handle for more information. And thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care of yourself, and I'm definitely gonna see you again. Bye bye.